Is it a snack? Is it a starter? Is it a side? Well, the beauty of the Merck's Parmesan Garlic Fries is that they can be anything you want them to be. So while I grate this mountain of cheese, let me fill you in on the story of our fries. So we have a bunch of snacks and starters on the menu, and the fries are always a hit.
This is one of our favorite and most popular appetizers because as soon as people see it go out, they're so impressed by it that they have to order one. This is like the Mount Everest of French fries. Service, please.
I absolutely love them.
Enjoy.
And our guests sure love them too.
We saw them coming in, like a plate on a table over there. Oh boy. They're so good.
They are heavenly, which is why I wrote that on the menu. So I'm going to show you how to make them at home because they are really that good. I'm going to make a butter to toss the fries in, and it starts with softened butter. I'm going to add some oregano, and there are actually two forms of Parmesan in the fries. For the butter mixture, I'm adding the powdery Parmesan, I call it, just the really finely grated stuff that you can buy already grated in the store. And I'll smush everything together. And then where the garlic comes in is with this garlic oil. And all it is olive oil with some minced garlic. And I heated it over the stove a little bit and let it sit for 4 to 5 minutes just to totally infuse the garlic. And then I let it cool and I'm just stirring it in, and it just kind of turns into this flavorful, amazing combo that's gonna coat the fries when they come out of the oven. Okay, the garlic butter is all mixed, so I'm gonna grab those fries out of the oven. I cheated, full disclosure. At the Merc, we make our own fries, and it's quite a process. These are frozen fries, and I decided to use thin frozen fries. At the Merc, our fries are thicker, which is kind of part of the fun, but honestly, just use whatever fries you have in your freezer. The important part is that you want to pour the garlic butter onto the fries as soon as you pull them out of the oven, because you want the fries to be super hot and really just grab a hold of that garlic butter. Alrighty, perfect. So serving it is the most fun, and you'll see what I mean when I start piling these on the platter. So I have a platter, and I've got two sides, some garlic aioli and ketchup, which is what we serve at the Merc. The garlic aioli is just store-bought for me, but you can make your own. So you want to build as big of a pile as you can with half the fries, and then I've got all this beautiful, light, heavenly, angelic Parmesan. And you have to grate it yourself. You really don't want to use the stuff that's pre-shredded. And I'm not exaggerating when I tell you, you have to cover the fries. I mean, you barely want to be able to see the fries. And then parsley. So then comes more fries. It's a world gone mad, I tell you. As you can see, you want to have some fun with the mountain. So then comes the second layer of Parmesan, and then end with some parsley. Okay, guys. Is this the most incredible platter of fries you've ever seen? Really easy to make at home, especially if you use frozen fries. I think you should make these, tonight. Tonight is always a good idea.